everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1986 Chevy Silverado pickup truck, featuring a black on black exterior with the US mag wheels on it. Definitely gives it that cool retro look. As for the interior, as you can see, is an automatic on the column. They did add a new speedometer gauge. It does offer the tilt column, power windows, nicely done bucket seats with the console. And of course, you can see you have AC with this one, featuring a Kenwood audio system. Underneath the hood, you have that LSX powerful engine. Since nobody's around, we always like to open them up a little bit. And it's very good to open them up a little bit because you clean out whatever's been sitting for a long time. As for that, we can give you a little bit of a brake test. Brakes are pretty good, got a steady idle. I also forgot to mention that with the bed, it has that nice cover over it. Underneath it is also painted black, so you never have to worry about rust or scratches or nothing like that. I'm sorry, I just love how good this truck sounds. It's very mean, very powerful, and very reliable. Since with that LSX engine under the hood, you know, it's way safer than your old-fashioned carbureted engine. So you can get you to point A and point B very safely, but also show off a little bit. But as for now, we're just gonna get it turned around safely and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.